Samantala kahapon nga ay nasaksihan din natin ang huling sparring session ng ating pambansang kamao. At isa ho sa mga nakita natin na dumalaw sa kanya dito sa PCYC Gym, dito sa Brisbane, Australia, ay ang top rank promoter na si Bob Arum, na may mga ibang sinasabi kumpara dun sa unang naging pahayag ng ating pambansang kamao ukol sa pagtatapos ng kontrata sa top rank. Panoorin po natin ang aking report. Alas 3 ng hapon, oras sa Brisbane, Australia, nagsimulang dumating si Manny sa PCYC Gym sa loob ng Suncorp Stadium. Dito nag-apat na round sila ng Australianong sparmate niya na si George Cambosos Jr. Pinagbawalan ng media kuna ng huling sparring session ni Manny at George. Pero ayon kay George, bihadong mahihirapan daw ang kapwa Australiano niyang si Jeff Horn talunin ang ating pambansang kamao.
Manny's 100% ready to go for the fight. He's been there before. He's fought the best in the world. He's beaten the best in the world, and we worked very, very hard in his preparation in this camp. And I have no doubt that he's going to get the job done.
What about the speed? I heard that you're very fast. That's why they got you. What can you say about Manny's speed? I mean, he's no longer your age, and definitely that's a factor in some cases.
Oh, it's there. It's there. And like I said, I'm very fast. But so is Manny.
Dinalaw din si Pacman ng mayor ng Brisbane kahapon sa gym para ito'y batiin.
I'm in a situation where Jeff Horn is also a relative of mine, so we've got that. But it's a fight between gentlemen, and that's the great thing about this contest. It's they're both very humble boxers. I just wish both boxers all the very best.
Proud daw si Mayor Quirk na dito sa Brisbane gaganapin ang laban ng hinahangaan niyang boksingero. Nagpa-picture pa nga ito kay Pacman for souvenir daw niya.
Well, this is the biggest boxing event Australia's ever seen, and so it's going to be a spectacular event. The Weather Bureau is saying that it's going to be a perfect day in Brisbane, so we're looking forward to great atmosphere out there at Suncorp Stadium on Sunday.
Namataan din sa gym ang top-ranked CEO na si Bob Arum. Taliwas ang naging pahayag nila ng pambansang kamao ukol sa pagtatapos ng kontrata ni Pacman sa top rank. Tapos na yung kontrata with Bob Arum?
Yes.
So are we expecting na magre-renew kayo ng kontra?
Depende na sa pag-uusap kung hindi naman siya nagpo-propose eh.
Well, we have our contract goes through the middle part of 2018.
Ayon pa kay Bob, may mga plano pa siyang laban para kay Manny sa mga susunod na taon. Pero sa ngayon daw, excited siyang pagtuunan ang magaganap na laban sa darating na linggo.
It's going to be a very good fight. It's a tremendous event. The whole country is really captivated by the event. And the two competitors, two clean-cut people. One is a senator in the Philippines, and the other a former school teacher, family man, married his childhood sweetheart. So it's great for boxing.
Samantala, matapos ang sparring, kumuha naman ng ilang minuto si Manny at Team Pacquiao para mag-relax sa pamamagitan ng pagkanta.
Ikaw ay aking dadalhin upang sa ulag na lang tayo magkanta.